Today we are going to start with exercise 7.3, question number 1. Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? We have to tell that all are same or not. So as you can see in the diagram, first diagram, this is the half part of the circle. Here the shaded parts are 2. Here the shaded parts are 3. And here you can see the shaded parts are 4 in number. Am I correct? So total number of equal parts are 2. 2. And number of shaded part is 1 over here. So number of shade parts upon total number of equal parts you are going to write. Like 1 by 2 for this. Total number of parts are 2 and number of shaded part is 1 here. So you are going to write 1 by 2 here. How much you will be writing here? This is 1 by 2. I am writing 1 upon 2 here. This one, what fraction we should write here? Two by 4. That's right, Charvi, Kanishka. So you're going to write 2 by 4. That's right, 2 by 4. That's right. Now let's start with the third one. How much part it is? 3 by 6, Charvi, Riddhima, that's right. 3 by 6. That's right. Prapti, Chehek, very good. Now this last one. How many total parts? Yes, 4 by 8. That's right, Chehek, Kanish, Arav. It's not Arav Sharma, 4 by 8, not 4 by 4. It should be 4 by 8. Total number of parts are 4 by 8. So write down this answer in your book, all of you. 4 by 8. Yes, they are forming a pattern, right? They are equivalent fractions. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Table of 1 is coming, table of 1 is going on in the numerator and table of 2 is going on in the denominator. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 8. Let's start with the B part. So in the B part, how many total circles are there? 12. So how many are shaded? Yes, 4 by 12, Tanishq, right? Yes, yes, you are right. So write 4 by 12 here. Four upon 12. That's right. Let's start with the B part. 3 by 9. That's right, Riyan, Prapti. That's absolutely right. 3 by 9 is the correct answer. Yes, total number of unshaded, total number of parts are 9 and shaded are 3. Let's move to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2 by 6. That is right. 2 by 6 is the correct answer. Kanishka, Riyan, good. Very fast. Saksham, good work. RF Sharma, right. Let's start with the next one. How much it is shaded? Yes, right, Tanish. Yes, 1 by 3. Absolutely right. 1 by 3. RF Sharma, Riddhima, red, Charvi, good. 1 by 3. Next. How many total parts are shaded? 6 by 15. Right. Anya, Avni, that's right. 6 by 15. That's the correct answer. I think you have understood this question now. Clear? Now let's start with question number 2. Write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. आपको पहले fractions बताने हैं and we have to find out the pair also for that. So let's start with the first one. First pair. First one is, yes, 1 by 2 is the correct answer. That's right, Anya. Chehek, that's right. 1 by 2. That's right. Let's start with the B part. How much? Suhan Khan, give me the answer in the chat box. Everybody give me the answer. 4 by 6. Yes, Tanish, Arav, that's right. 4 by 6. That's right. Anya, Charvi. Charvi, you have written 3 by 6. Just check it out. Next, how much part is shaded? Yes, 3 by 9. That's right, Chehek, Tanish. Good. Rest of you, start marking it. Next, how many total parts are there? 8 are there. And how much is shaded? 2. Write the fraction 2 by 8. Next. Yes, 3 by 4. That's right. 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Rayan, Arab, right. Saksham, that's also correct. Next one. Can anybody tell me how many parts are shaded? How many parts are shaded in this figure? This I part. There are total 18 number of parts. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So it will be 6 by 18. Yes, Chehek, 6 by 18. Yes, Jen, that's right. 6 by 18 you will be writing. So we have divided one box into 2 equal parts. So you will be count 2 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And total number of parts are shaded 6. We can write it also as, okay, let's start with the next one. How much it is next part? 4 by 8. That's right. All of you write down the answer 4 by 8. Absolutely right. Charvi, Arav. Next one. 12 by 15 or 16. It's 12 by 16. Yes. That's right. 12 by 16. Very good. Everybody is giving me the answer to chat box. Next. How much it is after 12 by 16? Total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 by 12. That's right, Kanishka, Chehek. That's right, 8 by 12. Next one. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded and total number of, yes, Ridhima, you're right. 4 upon 16. That is correct. 4 by 16 is the correct answer. Yes, 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 it's correct. A part is matching with second part because 4 by 8, when you cut it with the same table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So you're getting 1 by 2 here also, 1 by 2 here also. C part, 3 by 9 with first, okay. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 80, and 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Yes, for C part is matching with first one. So you 6 by 18, when you cut with the same table, you are getting 1 by 3 only. When you cut, and this number also 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 are 9. You'll cut this number, you're getting 1 by 3 here. Clear? We are cutting with the same table. 3 1 are 3, 3 are 9. Here also we are cutting with the same table. 6 1 are 6, 6 3 are 18. So C is matched with first one. Now next, B with Fourth, next D is with matching with 5. Okay, let's see. D, Tanishq is giving me the answer that D is matching with 5. Let's see, D is matching with 5 or not. 2 by 8. When you will cut this number, you are getting 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 by 4. Okay, and you will cut this number, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So you are getting 1 by 4 in both the way. So that's correct. D is matching with fifth one. Let's see the next one. B. B is matching with fourth part. How? When you will cut this number, you are getting 2 by 3. And this number also, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 by 3. So B is matching with fourth one. Now only E part is left. E part will be matched with C part, third part, sorry. 3 by 4. And this number will become 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So 3 by 4 is the answer. That's right. E will be matched with third part. Yes, Sharvi, you're right here. Absolutely right. I think this is clear with everyone. Let's start with question number 3. Replace box in each of the following by the correct number. So you are going to multiply the numbers here. See, 2. If you see the numerator, 2 is multiplied with 4. Then only you will be getting 8 here. 2 4s are 8. Yes or no? Yes, you have to do it in book. 2 4s are 8. Then 7. Denominator will be multiplied also with the same number. 7 4s are 28. So that box will be replaced with 28. In this box, you will be writing 28 here. Got it? How you have to solve it? Whatever the answer is given, either the numerator or the denominator, you have to just check it out with which number it is multiplying, and you have to multiply it with the numerator or the denominator which is left over there in the box. Yes, first answer is 28. That's correct. Let's do the second part. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 2s are 10. When you multiply it with 2, you will be getting 10. Numerator is given. Now we are going to multiply the denominator. Yes, Charvi, you're right. 8 2s are 16. So in the box, we are going to write 16 here. The number we are multiplying with the numerator, same number we are going to multiply it with the denominator also. So 5 2s are 10. So 8 2s are also 16 here. Yes, in the box we will be writing 16. That's correct, Prapti. Let's do the next question. 3. 5. How much is multiplied with? If you see the denominator, 5 4s are, yes, right, Kanishka, 5 4s are 20. So numerator also will be multiplied with 4. 3 4s are 12. So in the box you will be writing 12 by 20. 12. That's right, Chahar Charvi, correct answer. Absolutely right, beta. Very good. Let's do the next one. 45. Now it's written the smaller number. What you are going to do? Earlier the smaller number is there and you are multiplying and you are getting the bigger number. Now the bigger number is there and you have to take out the smaller number. So what you are going to do? Tell me what you are going to do here. Division. That's right, Rayan Azhar Khan. So 45 will be divided by with which number so that you can get 15. 45. How much? Yes. 3. Yes, right. 45 will be divided by 3. That's right. So you're getting 15 here. You're getting the answer 15 when you are dividing. Now 60 also divided by 3. You're getting 20. Yes, Kanishka, you're right. 20. Divide करना बेटा, multiply नहीं करना है. Here the bigger number is there and you have to take out the smaller number. So you're going to divide the numbers. Adit, your camera is still off. So you are going to divide 60 by 3. So you are getting 20 here. So the answer will be 20. Let's do the next one. Here also bigger number is there and the smaller number is given. So you have to divide it here. 18 will be divided with which number? So that let's do the denominator first because denominator is given. So we'll divide 24 by 6. Yes. 6 4 is 24 now. So you're going to divide it by 6. You are getting 4 here. So divided by 18 also divided by 6. You're getting 3. Yes, 3, Ryan. Right. 3 4s are 3 6 are 18 and 4 6 are 24. So here you are going to write 3. We are going to divide the numbers. 3 by 4. Yes. That's right, Prapti.
Denominator 20. अगर मैम हमें denominator 20 लाना है,
so what you are going to do? Speak in English, Anish. With which number you are going to multiply if you want the denominator 20?
मैम we will multiply. मैम हम 4 से, मैम 5 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 20 आएगा डिनोमिनेटर. एंड मैम सेम नंबर से, एंड मैम सेम नंबर से 3 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे.
So you are going to multiply 3 by 5 with the number 4 by 4.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 12 by 20.
12 by 20. That's correct. So all of you start doing this question in your notebook. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. So what you are going to do, you are going to multiply it with the number 4 by 4 here.